What's up, Bertini fam? Now, as you can see behind me, we're over here at Excel Detailing. We're gonna be getting clear tints put on the GTR. As you saw in a previous episode, we removed the tints. Now I'm in sunny South Florida. We're not South Florida anymore. I gotta stop saying that. I'm actually in Central Florida now. And so here it does get really hot in Florida. And so it's not enough just to leave your vehicle with just a bare glass. And so what I do on mine is I go ahead and get clear tints, because clear tints help block out a lot of the UV rays. So it does help like with keeping your interior looking good. So anyways, so that's what we're doing here today. Make sure if you have not yet joined the family and click that subscribe button, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. This way you can stay up to date on all of my future content. With that being said, let's go ahead and get the vehicle inside Excel Detailing. Go ahead and roll the intro.
Hey, how are you?
Good, Felix. How you doing, bud?
Welcome. How you doing?
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure.
Nice
So, yeah, likewise. Felix is the owner of Excel Detailing. You all do other things than just detailing, right?
Yes, correct. We do detailing, obviously. That's our name. That's how we started. We celebrating 10 years this year since we started the business.
Congratulations.
Thank you. So we also do ceramic coatings. We partner with different brands so we can bring variety to the clients. We do paint protection film.
Oh, nice.
We do paint protection film color change. That's the new thing. Nice. And we also do wrap. So we do commercial and we do color change for vinyl and everything.
Oh, we have a lot to talk about because there's a lot of stuff that I want to get going on the GTR.
Absolutely. We can do a detailing for your GTR and we can record it and everything.
Oh, that'll be cool. So I'll include links in the description box below to Excel Detailing, phone number, email, website, anything, social media pages. So if you are interested in checking them out, go ahead and check in the description box below. Any links will be in there. Let's jump into this. I keep telling people about the clear tints. I know it's not everybody's style, but it's mine. And so let's get the GTR in here and then we'll go ahead and talk about the clear tints.
And I got the roll ready for you. So this film just got here literally this morning. There was a little bit of delay.
Wow.
It's called Air 80.
That's the official name for it, right? Air 80. Air 80.
From LLumar.
From LLumar. Yeah, and I've heard a lot of really good stuff. My wife's vehicle, I believe, has their stuff on it and super, super high quality, right?
Yes. Actually, LLumar is very good, and especially in Florida. A lot of people are talking about brands and everything. Mm-hmm. And being honest, LLumar has been one of the best ones in the market, especially in Florida where the sun hit us so hard. This, I have it in my parents' car. Mm-hmm. They don't even notice that it's there, but it rejects over 88% of the infrared that is coming in.
Oh, wow. Actually, I should show the viewers at some point that thing that you were showing me where you actually feel the heat coming in versus with this stuff where you don't. Exactly. It's like, it's crazy.
Exactly. And I'm gonna put the film so I can cut the excess and the trims, and then I will take some parts out, and then I'll put it in this cart that we did ourselves with a glass, so I can take it to your car, and then it's not getting much dirt and dust all over the place.
Got it. I have a question. Do some tinting places still do like that old school style where they put the tint on your glass?
Yes.
Really? That seems so like old school.
It is, but when you don't have like
this kind of investment, right?
Or let's say that the machine broke and then you have a couple of appointments and
you have to. Wow, that's crazy.
And the machine saved me at least like 30 minutes or something. I know a lot of people will be a lot less. They're much better than me and more seasoned. But for me, like 30 minutes, 45 minutes saved me time.
To do it properly, to cut it properly, and And now, what's the reason why you put it on this? Is that so you don't have to do all the manipulation stuff on the vehicle?
I don't put it on top of your car or stuff like that.
Ah, nice.
So at least that I have to touch your car, the better for me.
Nice.
So I just put it here. And then I know that the same thing is here. The port for that side.
By the way, for those of you who are wondering why in the hell is the GTR so dirty, it was like raining out a little bit, not a lot of rain, but a little bit, and it got the car pretty nasty, even though it was clean in the garage. Now it's all, you know, water spots and white stuff all over it. So yeah, it doesn't look really good right now. So you're like pre-forming this right now to the glass.
A little bit, you can say that, yes.
I don't know if it's coming across through video, but guys, this is super satisfying to watch. There's a lot of satisfaction with your job, huh?
Yeah.
Doing this?
Make sure it doesn't touch anything.
All right, now basically we're gonna end up repeating the same process that we did on this side on the other side of the vehicle, right?
Yes.
Cool.
Completely the same.
All right, now the driver's side is done too. So once again, it came out absolutely perfect. Really happy with the way that the result came out. Like I said, you can barely, if anything, it's so hard to even see that it's even there. Now I noticed, because obviously on the edge, you can see the film, but other than that, from far, can't even notice that it's there. So now what Felix is gonna do, Felix is gonna cut the, for the rear of the glass. So he's gonna go ahead and cut the film for that. I've also decided, which many of you will probably be happy, I've decided to get the front windshield done too. But for the detail, we are gonna come back, and just so you know, I think I mentioned this in the video, but the reason why I didn't want to go ahead and do the front windshield was because I wanted the glass to be polished. But that's fine, because Felix is gonna do a full detail later in the new shop on this thing, and we're gonna get it hooked up really nice. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and he'll do the front glass today as well. I'm really excited for that because of the fact that this blocks out so much of the heat and the UV rays. I think it's really gonna make a difference with summer coming here to Florida. Before, after.
So again, this is my preference. What I do is I cover the film, and then a lot of people roll it or anything. I'll do like this, and then I'm gonna put it in and open it on the inside and install it.
Ah, that's smart.
I line it up here, and we cut it.
So what's the reason for the rope? I have to ask.
Is we're gonna put it over there, so when we put the amount of water that we're gonna put, that water doesn't roll down under it, so it's gonna catch all the water that goes there.
Ah, smart. This is like one of those tricks of the trade moments.
Yeah.
Or
And
your
if people
trick.
create tools, I think that because they have been doing it for years, and then they come with ideas and
Yeah,
they come in market, and it's very good. This is one of them.
that's true. And just like that, the front windshield is also done. Came out amazing. Everything looks really, really good. Really happy with the job. Felix, thanks again, brother.
Thank you for stopping by.
Appreciate
What an honor
this.
to meet you. Thank you.
No, it's the honor is mine. I mean, I think this came out excellent, man.
Yeah, it came out very, very good.
Yeah.
The windshield came out very nice, and
Yeah.
I think that you're gonna have a cooler car during the summer.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one.
Also,
all
for
pun
stopping
intended.
by, well, let's do this. Every person that go from your video and let us know, we will give them a 10% discount.
Woo! Awesome. You all heard it from the man himself. So make sure that if you're in the Central Florida area or you're visiting, right? If those of you are visiting for car shows or anything, make sure to hit them up. Let them know that I sent you, and they'll go ahead and shoot you a 10% discount. Felix, appreciate all the hospitality. I'm looking forward to doing a full detail on this thing.
And then you take a picture of the next shop and everything.
Nice, nice. Well, thank you so much again. Have a good one.
You too.
Okay, so this is basically the setup for LLumar to show you the differences between the two. So you have without, which it's obviously it's not going to come across in the video, but you definitely feel the heat. Like this thing is hot right now. This is without anything. And then the ATC is the regular setup, and then IRX, oh, there's less heat there, and then wow, that was significantly less heat, holy crap. And then the AR80. That is so crazy, the difference that makes having that. But yeah, so that's basically what it's doing. And I know a lot of people do prefer having the darker tints, you know, for privacy reasons. I'm okay. I like this, and especially in a vehicle like mine, it is, you're trying to avoid at all things getting stopped, and something like this could potentially, you know, having a really dark tint, not this because this is legal tint, but having a really dark tint can, I mean, it's like asking to get stopped, which I'm not trying to do. With that being said, most important of all, make sure you're putting out good energy into the world and you're paying it forward. I'll check y'all out later. Bye now.